Hey everyone, welcome to Medicinal Note YouTube channel. Here we are going to see about hydatid. It is Echinococcus granulosus, is also known as tapeworm. It is a cystode. Cystode means tapeworm or parasitic worm. And causative agent is hydatid disease. Morphology. The adult worm is small tapeworm 3 to 6 mm in length. It comprises of scolex, head, neck and strobila consisting of 3 segments: immature, matured and gravid. The strobila consists of 3 segments, which is immature and mature and gravid. The terminal segment, which is strobila, is the biggest, measuring of 2 to 3 mm in length and 0.6 mm in width. The strobila has several organs like excretory system extended through the entire worm. It looks like a worm. It has a which has a head and a neck. Pathogenesis. The adult worm of C. granulosus is a dog, not cause inconvenience. They are found in large number in small intestine of the infected dog when they lie embedded in the mucous membrane. On postmortem, they appear a small white speck. The small white speck is tiny spot. On postmortem, they appear in a small white spot. The larval worm of the E. granulosus is in man cause unilocular hydatid disease. It is ingested by contaminated food which penetrate mesenteric blood vessel and gets distributed to various organs like lung, kidney and brain. The rupture of cyst gives allergic symptoms. Laboratory diagnosis. Parasitological. The detection of the swells in the cyst fluid or centrifugal deposit of hydatid is 100% confirmatory. Cassoni test. It is an intermediate hypersensitivity skin test introduced by Cassoni in 1911. The intradermal injection of 0.2 ml of fresh sterile hydatid fluid into a volar space of forearm. The detection of antibody. The antibody detection test can be done by ELISA, CFT and IHA. ELISA enzyme link immunosorbent assay, CFT complement fixation test, IHA indirect hemagglutination test assay. Antigen detection is also done by ELISA. Blood examination, eosinophilia content is 20 to 25%. It is higher, which cause eosinophilia. Due to the allergic reaction produced by the rupture of cyst, the eosinophilia content eosinophil content in the blood is more. Radiological examination, CT scan, helpful in diagnosis of hydatid cyst of liver and lung. Histological examination, surgical removed cyst may be examined to reveal different layers of hydatid cyst. Treatment, surgical removal of hydatid cyst can be performed, but there are many recurrences in 20 to 25% of the case of surgery. Hence, the post-operative chemotherapy may be given for at least 2 years after surgery. Albendazole or a chemotherapeutic agent for the treatment of hydatid cyst. Prevention, personal hygiene including close contact with dog, control in movement of dog, general health education. The hydatid cyst. Embryos of Echinococcus granulosus is a dog tapeworm, grows in the hydatid cyst. Cause hydatid disease. Hydatid cyst consists of ectocyst, endocyst, hydrated fluid, and hydrated sand. The outermost layer is known as pericyst. After it, it is known as ectocyst. The innermost layer, endocyst, which consists of hydrated fluid, and it is hydrated sand. The ectocyst is a hyaline membrane which form a thick circular layer, and it is elastic in nature. The endocyst, a cellular ingerminal layer. It has a role in formation of outer layer and secretion of hydrated fluid. The endocyst is responsible for the secretion of hydrated fluid. Hydrated fluid secreted by the endocyst, it clears a colorless pale yellow color fluid, weakly acidic, containing sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, and sodium phosphate. The hydrated fluid which looks like colorless, a pale yellow fluid, weakly acidic. It is less acidic and contain sodium chloride, sodium sulfate, and sodium phosphate. The hydrated sand is a granular deposit consisting of liberator brood capsule and free scholars and loose hooklets. Thank you. For more videos, please do subscribe, like, and share. If you have any doubt in the microbiology or general medical science, please comment in my comment box. Thank you.